welcome to another video, another vlog. If y'all new here, my name is Dee. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Check out some of my other videos. Y'all, we're gonna be doing spend alone 24 hours in Miami with me. I have to go to Miami for the day for my dentist appointment. I want to be giving y'all informative details. If you ever want to get your veneers done in Miami, I'm going to show you. I'm going to tell you everything. So make sure you check out the description box with all the information below. So I have made it. I'm in Fort Lauderdale. I just ordered the Lyft. If it's a little noisy, y'all, by the buses and stuff. Anyways, y'all like my shades? Amazon, I'll drop the link below. But y'all, I just ordered the Lyft. Why is the Lyft $74? And by the time I'm gonna get there, it's a time for my appointment. So I was like, let me go ahead and order this Lyft. Inflation is, ooh. But I just need to go there. And then I'm going to one more spot and we're gonna get back on the plane. But y'all, the plane ride was pretty much, it was good. We got here a little bit faster. We supposed to get here like at 9:30. We got here like right before 9. Everything was fine. But I'm gonna tell y'all this Spirit flight, Miss Mama's was checking on free bags. She wasn't playing with them. She was not playing with them at all. She's like, no, it has to fit down. I got my little bag right here. Let me show y'all. This, my little Lululemon tote. It worked just perfectly fine. So I'm just waiting for the Lyft ride. I was like, I ordered these shades, y'all, about on Thursday. So I was like, because I've been seeing the girls wear them. So I said, let me have a little look. So I got my little Bronco shirt on and I got these pants that I got from Nordstrom. They just like some athleisure pants, so yeah. But my hair, I'm not feeling my hair, but it's okay because we're gonna have definitely a maintenance coming up. But I'm giving y'all the full content over here and then the weekly vlog. So if y'all have watched the weekly vlog, thank you so much for clicking on this video because I was like, ooh, let me see if I can trick y'all a little bit. But yeah. So I made it to Dental Design. If y'all seen the Instagram, Dental Design for your smile and all that, they have 3 locations in Miami. So this is the location kind of close by Hialeah. So right here, this is the strip where you do the original appointment. You do your cleaning, x-rays and all that. So this is like my second time at this location. But they don't let you record in there. I be trying to get my content in like I did before, but I got my smile, I got my veneers did about in June will be a year. Now once you get your veneers, you get a warranty for a full year, and then your cleanings, you have to pay for your cleanings. This is my second time here because last year in September I came and a little piece of I ate something, so you got to be kind of careful. But long as you're covered within a year, they'll fix anything, clean and all that. But your cleaning, you do have to pay for it. The cleaning is like $150, I think they told me. So yeah. And also they can just like shade your teeth with whatever color, shave them down. They do whatever. And I paid less. I paid like around about $4,000, y'all. So it's really, really worth it. I'm gonna leave all the information below. They got a van coming, so y'all, so I just got out from my appointment. Remember I told y'all that cleaning was $150? Well, I'm still on the warranty. Baby, that cleaning was $0. All I've been paying for is my lift. I'm finna, girl, I said, are you sure? I was just saying that because, baby, I don't want nobody try to flag me down here in Florida. But, yeah, I paid $0, y'all. Come get y'all a design from Dental Design. It's worth it. I'm telling you, it is. They gave me a good cleaning. I really needed that, too. And I thought they had to put some more material, but they didn't. So, yeah. And it's a whole bunch of people here. Like, a lot of people. Let me show y'all the little vans. These are the little vans that come pick you up from the airport or from your hotel. It's like complimentary, I believe. And this is the actual strip center right there. And it goes all the way down over there. Back up. Look at them. Hey! But yeah, now I called my Lyft. Now from here, I'm going to like South Beach, Collins area. About $38. I'm about to go to the Fontainebleau. They have a brunch, and I told myself that I wanted to, like, you know, have a nice little day trip lunch or brunch or something. So I'm gonna go there. If not, then I have Nikki's Beach. I don't know, possibly. So yeah, I'm about to wait for my lift. It's about 3 minutes away. And yeah, y'all, make sure y'all like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. If y'all have not checked out the weekly vlog up and leading to this vlog, go check that out. Okay, y'all, so I got a good cleaning. And baby, senorita was all in my mouth. All in my mouth. But they are going to ship me a retainer because I've had probably like 2, but girl, that thing is probably on the side of the bed. I keep up with the bottom, but the top, it don't be working at all. Shout out y'all like the shades I had. If y'all follow me on Instagram, I put the link of the shades, and these are the same shades that the other girls have talked about. Kyra, Gina, these are like the Bottega dupes or something like that. So yeah. So I have a Miami Vice. First time having this. If y'all haven't taken y'all a day trip, go take y'all a day trip. Go take a day trip. This my first time ever having a Miami Vice. And let me tell y'all, the Fontainebleau, I called because they said that they got a little brunch lunch. I'm like, okay, cool. But I really think you supposed to have some type of band. I don't know. But baby, I got on in here, blended on in. They got some type of Google situation going on. And yeah. So I'm thinking I'm gonna order some food. The guy who made my drink, he's real nice. He said the chicken wrap is really, really good. So I'm gonna order some food. The food is really reasonable. Snacks, they got snacks, ceviche. So I'm gonna order some food. And I'm just chilling. Like, I think I needed this because it's been a minute since I've just chilled. And like, y'all already know, like, I'm good for a cocktail, but like, and ooh, look at that mojito. That mojito look good. Y'all, it's so gorgeous out here. So gorgeous. Oh my God, I've been recording so much content, y'all. I cannot wait for y'all to see. I cannot wait for y'all to see this because I'm literally going between my phone, the camera, recording this and that. Like, yeah. So running my mouth talking, my whole drink and spill over, but the bartender, he was like, oh no, I can top it off. I ordered a turkey BLT. I like to, like, when I go to places, I like to ask people, like, what do you recommend? You know, if you work here, what do you suggest? And he said the turkey BLT. So I was like, okay. So I'm just chilling here, y'all. I'll probably leave here like around 4. Yeah, like around 4 o'clock. To probably earlier than that, 3:45-ish. Just to get to the airport early on time. Baby, then you can tell when you have an off day and you see like reality. And just people just do regular stuff. You be just like, how do y'all do this on a regular day? Like, how do people do stuff like this on a regular day? But lunch was really good. I really liked the little turkey BLT. I actually had some left over. I'm pretty much gonna, I know I'm gonna eat it before I get on the plane. So yeah, but I'm a little buzzed, but I'm feeling good. Now I'm about to go to Balharbour shops. It's like what all the luxury stuff at. So maybe I'll see something, not too sure. I wanted to go there because I have to go that way anyway to the airport, so it makes sense. But yeah, y'all, go to pretty much all the nice hotels like the Fontainebleau, Grand Beach Hotel. They have a Nobu that was not too far. It's all right there, like walking distance. Now, you're supposed to have a room, but y'all know I finessed it, so, you know. y'all. So I'm back in the car. I actually was in Christian Dior and my son's school called because he had a stomach ache. So that was that. And I ordered my Lyft. Been in the Lyft a little bit because of traffic and stuff, but I'm basically about to head to the airport because my flight leaves in like 2 hours. So, you know, I did a little 1-2. That was good enough. Scan the QR code.